Oh, and he launches. The big baby works. There's six. And six of the best.
Dhoni is the call. He's hit it in the air. Vira trying to get underneath it.
Just there you go. That'll do.
And he's gone down the ground. I think it's massive. He has cleared it. That is a phenomenal hit from Dhoni. Maybe he's timed it to perfection.
Unbelievable cricket. Really unbelievable.
Oh, it's a mighty blow. That's a magnificent six.
Take a look at that shot. Oh my God. Beautifully done. Stunned silence in the crowd. Look at that.
Dhoni this time. My goodness. Well, I don't... This is nonchalant. I mean, honestly, Mr. Dhoni. Have a look at it. It was pretty good. Just check out where it's gone, son.
All a wrist net. My word, that wasn't that bad a ball, but just look at the power.
Straight down the ground. Never seen a shot like that before.
Get the bottom hand. And look at how he finishes. And it's gone the distance. It's a big round here at the IPCL. And he's cleared it quite easily.
There's just another six of the day in the first ball in your face, thank you.
That's hit beautifully.
That is big. Length. Within reach of Dhoni.
It's closer to Dhoni. All he does is swing through the line.
Bowlers. This is an excellent over. Yes. Oh dear, oh dear.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.